Hello ma'am, good day. My name is Luisa Pipilila Cruz from Philippines, 35 years old. And then married, I have two children. The oldest is 15 years old and then the youngest is 9 years old. I graduated a vocational course of caregiver in seafood. And then my work experience in Malaysia for 11 months. And then my core is to take care of the baby, take a bath for the baby, and then cooking food for the baby, and then cleaning the house, laundry, ironing, and then washing clothes. And then in Saudi Arabia, I worked at 2 years in my employer. They are 6 in the house. The children is 23 years old, and then 19 years old, 18 years old, and then 12 years old. My core is to prepare the clothes for the children, then preparing the needs for cooking for my employer, and then washing, ironing, cleaning the house, and then if you hire me, ma'am, I will promise to do my best to do my job. And then thank you in advance.